So today's subject is mathematics. Under mathematics, lesson is algebra. All in the algebra, inequalities and absolute value, then that constant and variables. In mathematics, a variable is a value that may change within the scope of a given problem or a set of operations. In contrast, a constant is a value that remains unchanged throughout, often unknown or undetermined. So, dependent and independent variables. Variables are further distinguished as being either a dependent variable or an independent variable. So, independent variables are regarded as inputs to a system and may take on different values freely. Dependent variables are those values that change as a consequence to changes in other values in the system. When one value is completely determined by another, then it is called function of the other value. So in this case, the value of the function is a dependent variable and the other value is independent variable. So the notation fx is used for the value of the function f with the x representing the independent variable. For example, y is equal to fx is equal to 3x square. Here we can take x as any real value, hence x is an independent variable. But the value of y depends on the value of x, hence y is an dependent variable. Here see, this is a one function, one machine, his input is there, output is there. Input, if you put x, then inside the function, inside the machine, the function f will be there, the output will be fx. So it means give the values to the x input, then we'll get different values for different values of x, will get different outputs here. So for example, fx is equal to 3x plus 2. If you give x to one value 3, suppose 3, then 3 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. If you change the value of this one x, then automatically the output value also gets changed. So okay, thank you.